Hi all, welcome to another Kenwood video. This is a Toyota Alphard. This came in with the factory fitted Japanese unit. Absolutely useless in this country. So we've integrated the KENWOOD 5023. This had factory reverse camera on it that had failed, so we've had to replace that with a KENWOOD camera as well. Far superior picture, guidance lines that you can adjust and tailor for your needs. Tow balls, tight driveways. So this is wired, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, crystal clear screen as you can see, DAB radio, steering wheel controls have been integrated as well, so they work as they should do. But as you can see, it's a great unit from KENWOOD. Fits into this vehicle lovely. Thanks for watching.